Welcome to qnawire.
The fire lookout is being constructed as indicated below. The support poles AD and BC are each 18 feet, which I've marked, and tilt 8 degrees inward from the vertical. The distance between the tops of the poles DC is 12, which I've marked. Find the length of brace AC and the distance AB between the supporting poles at the ground level. We'll start with AC. Well, if this is our vertical, that means that's 90 degrees. And so this has got to be 82 degrees, which would make, if the DC is parallel to AB, alternate interior angles. If I focus just on this triangle that I've highlighted blue, then this has got to be 100 and actually 98 degrees, because they have to be supplementary. Now that would mean AC that we want to find, we could use the law of cosines, and that would look like the following. The third side, which would be AC squared, would be equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides minus 2 times the product of the other two sides times the cosine of the included angle, which in this case would be 98 degrees. And so AC would be the square root of all of that. In degree mode, the square root of 12 squared plus 18 squared minus 2 times 12 times 18 times the cosine of 98 degrees is, let's call it 23. Then if I highlight this in green, this triangle here, then we have this angle, which would also be 82 degrees. And we just found this to be 23, because that would be AC. And we could use the law of sines in this case. We could say that the sine of 82 degrees over its opposite side, 23, is in proportion to the sine of I'm going to call it angle A down here over B. This will help us find this angle, which will still help us find AB here, but we have to do it in stages. So we'll cross multiply the 18 and then inverse sine. That will get rid of the 18 and the sine. So the inverse sine of 18 sine 82 over 23 gives us about 50.8 degrees. And then we subtract from 180 the 50.8 we just found and the 82 that we knew. We're left with 47.2 at the top. So now we can find AB with the law of sines. We can say that the sine of 47.2 degrees over its opposite side, which is AB, would be in proportion. We could go back to the sine of 82 degrees over its opposite side, 23. Cross multiply, and 23 sine 47.2 would be equal to AB times the sine of 82. Then just divide both sides by sine of 82 degrees, and we have side AB. So 23 sine 47.2 over sine 82. And that gives us, let's call it 17.